창이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임. 랜덤 게임.
게임 스타트!
아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the 아파트 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 Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? Cause I'm coming to get you, get you, get you. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Just meet me at
Just meet me at the Just meet me at
Hi babe, akalain mong ikakasal pala ako. Pero akalain ba nila ikakasal ka pa pala? That night I met you, not in a church, not in paradise, but sitting on the floor, tumatagay ng fireball.
Oy, magbiyak ka ng yelo. When you knew that I am on antibiotics, kaya hindi ako pwedeng ma-intoxicate, inutusan mo na lang akong magbiyak ng yelo. This clearly shows the hierarchy of medical students na kapag junior ka, dapat sumunod ka sa senior mo. After more than 5 years, those same words still mean so much to me. A lot. Oy, magbiyak ka nga ng yelo. Turns to, babe, iced coffee please. Or, kung maginawa at gusto mong maligo, babe, hot water please. This signifies my acts of service to you. I promise to cook your favorite adobong sitaw pag nagkikrave ka. To always scratch your back every time na sabihin mo sa akin, babe, itchy.
Despite the 5-year age gap and the fights that followed, eldest versus only child drama, you stayed. Together we faced loss, both grieving people we loved, Lola and Mommy. To this day, I regret not calling her Mommy.
Siguro ang pinaka-sign nung sumunod siya sa akin sa Leyte. Kasi that time, yun yung pinaka nag-struggle ako. Naging struggle din siya, no? Pero
sinuportahan niyo pa rin ako, pumunta pa din siya.
Clutched in my
So babe, I am excited, I am happy, and at the same time, kinakabahan sa kung anong mangyayari mamaya sa ceremony. Pero excited ako, happy ako, and I'm blessed na after ilang years kakasal na tayo. So mamaya after the wedding or after the after party, alam mo na ha. May separate room tayo ha, alam mo na ang gagawin natin. Diba?
even though we may be hopeless, hearts just
Mukhang good na yan ha.
every bone screaming. All I know is that I was made
My bike.
for love.
Hold me close.
Hi babe, you've always been a gift to me since the day we met. And so as we tied the knot today, accept these gifts that symbolizes health and adventure. May our marriage be filled with good health and endless adventure. I love you, Pogi. PS, di ko kaya isakay sa airplane niyang bike. Balik Alindog, 2025. Hi babe, thank you for these gifts. And I will forever treasure this. Gagamitin ko yung bike na magbalik Alindog.
'Cause I was made for love.
You are and will always be my best friend, my kachismis, my enemy, my spa buddy, my social battery, my food buddy, my doctor, gusto mo pa. And finally, officially, my asawa. I love you.
Through thick or thin, I will always be with you. Will lift you up when you're down. Will always be your happy pill to cheer you up. And will hold your hand as we enter a new chapter in our lives. We may be receiving material things as gifts for our wedding today. But right now, we will be receiving the best gift I could give. No? A gift carefully and wonderfully crafted by God. Isang poging asawa. Oh,
Lagi mong tatandaan,
na.
siguraduhin mo lang
Oh.
na lagi siyang tama.
All I know is that
Darling, I was made for love.
Got swagger like Jagger, big French palace, damn nice, tight. Clean like McQueen, 2 pinky rings, damn nice, brown. Moves like Brown, buys every round, what you have in a night.
Got a call like Bone, ladies on the arm, get ready for the wildlife.